right, let's take a look at this Corvette just in at Unique Special and Classics. 2003 Chevrolet Corvette convertible in an anniversary edition. Of course, you're going to have the anniversary red paint on this car with the taupe interior and top. If you take a look at the wheels, you're going to notice that is the Z06 style wheel that has been added to it. These C5 Vettes in the anniversary red anniversary cars is probably one of our best selling Corvettes that we've had throughout the years here at Unique. If you want to check out the still pictures, underside of this car, interior, engine bay, trunk, go ahead and take a look below this video. In the description area, you're going to see a link you can click on that'll take you right to our website that'll have the pictures of this car, or you can check uniqueclassiccars.com. You can also feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on this car. This car has a little over 37,000 miles on it. Spent the majority of its life in Florida before coming to us. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Good luster to it, nice looking car. Does have the selective ride control. Also has a 12 CD changer in the trunk, and there is a car cover that's included. We'll leave in the trunk also. I left the top up so you can get an idea shape of the top. I didn't notice any rips or tears, anything like that, any holes worn in it. Top also in nice shape. Take a look at the interior. Obviously this car is an automatic. It's powered by an LS1, 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Nice sharp looking car with those Z06 chrome wheels on it. Once again, still pictures. You want to check out the underside of this car. Take your time looking over the still pictures of it. Take a look down in the description underneath this video. You're going to see a link you can click on. That'll take you right to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. So maybe you got a little older Vette and you want to trade it in a newer one, or vice versa. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation of this car to where you're located at. See, up and down both sides of this car, free from door dings, scratches, much for nicks. And yeah, you're going to find some imperfections in the paint. The car is 18 years old, but overall, very nice driver quality Corvette here. Like I said, a little over 37,000 miles. We'll check the exact miles for you. So you see it still has the anniversary floor mats in there, Bose stereo system. Again, there is a 12 CD changer in the trunk, as well as a car cover that we're going to include. Take a look at the seats. Just kind of your typical wear that you'd find on a vehicle of this age. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Check the exact miles. 37,632, I believe it is. Close the door up here. There you go, 37,632. As you can see, there's no engine lights on, service lights on, anything like that. Just the seat belt light, since I don't have that hooked up. Dual climate control. Cassette player up here, Bose system, again, CD changer in the trunk, selective ride. Other than that, pretty much everything you'd expect to be stock in here. Flip around to the back. Sounds like it may have a little more aggressive exhaust on it. A little rumble out of that LS1. Double check what brand that is for you. And it is a Corset exhaust. Thought that sounded a little more aggressive than stock. Pretty cool sounding car. I'm going to slip up to the front. We'll pause the video here in a second. I'm going to pop the hood open so you check out the engine bay and see how nice and tidy that is underneath there also. Alright, nice clean tight engine bay here. Again, 5.7 liter. Does not appear to any mods have been done underneath here. No cold air intake, anything like that. Hood liner nice and clean, not all stained up like you'll see in some that are driven in poor weather. Seems to be a fair weather car only. Slip around to the other side. Take a look at the nose of that too. I didn't see a lot for chips or nicks up there. Like I said, there may be a few with the age of this vehicle, but overall, very clean, well taken care of that. Other side of the engine bay. Alright, so there you go. 2003 Chevrolet Corvette convertible with an automatic, anniversary edition. The good old anniversary red. A little over 37,000 miles. Again, take a look down below this video in the description. You're going to see a link take you right to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, we can assist you with the transportation, getting this to where you're located at. We do consider trades, and financing is available. Give us a call.